Devils in Dancehall. Queen Ifrica says music industry overrun with sexual predators. Queen Ifrica has painted an earth-shattering picture of Jamaica's reggae dancehall industry as being infiltrated by a set of reptilian villains who prey on young girls with impunity. She made it clear that there were many men in Jamaican music who would never sexually abuse women and have no inkling of thoughts of debauchery in their heads, and that the situation was nonetheless very grim. The faraway artist then made some damning revelations about the sordid state of minds of some of the men in the music industry, where being a gallus has historically been celebrated, and numerous reports in the public domain of many women aspiring to be artists and even female fans being sexually and physically abused and later jeered by even some of the island's most revered artists. There are a lot of predators in our industry, in our society in general, but the music industry full of predator. Some serious demonic one them too. Like do some dirty things to some little girl and some little boy out there, she said. Ifrica noted, pointing out that in many cases, not even little boys are pardoned. And them have a society where protect them, so they don't feel like they should have any form of remorse or they should answer to anybody about it. She added. She declared that most of the acts being committed are done by our honored and well-recognized artists. She also stated that some of the artists have taken their reprehensible acts while on tours overseas, where they take advantage of young, impressionable female fans who are simply starstruck and want to be in the presence of their favorite artists. I told the world, Queen Ifrica been around the world. And I have seen where young girls come backstage just to be around Jamaican music and see these artists and to be a part of it. And before the night is over, they are molested, she said. And they can't believe because it's their favorite artist that did that to them. And you come on the road and you meet up with them and they will be like, so you know this artist? Or do you know this artist? He's not a good person. So these guys are not as innocent as a lot of them making out themselves to be, she added. The Fire Mama said that on many occasions, artists while on tour in their little cliques, they start eyeing and picking out which woman they wanted out of a bevy of adoring fans, who in most cases simply love their music and have no thought of sex on their minds. These men take it for granted and feel like the woman them just come for the artist big and the artist are gonna get them. And before the night done, them have them up and down. And then them leave and these ladies are left behind to figure it out, she added. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out DancehallMag.com for current news on dancehall culture.